Hi everybody, thanks for joining me today. I am going to be decorating this wood topiary pumpkins. I got them from Hobby Lobby. They were in the 40% off, so I believe I paid like $3 something for this. So I didn't think that was too bad of a price. And I'm painting the top pumpkin in the color Pumpkin by Waverly. And if you're joining me for the first time, thank you for watching. And if you're repeat, I thank you for coming back and watching my videos. I'm hoping to grow this channel. If you could like and subscribe, I sure would appreciate it. And I will continue to bring you content on making crafts at a lower price. Then the middle pumpkin, I'm coloring, or painting I should say. It is the color Butterscotch by All-in-One Paints. I really like this color. It's like a soft mustard color for fall. I love that color. And before you know it, fall will be here. It's just around the corner, so time to start getting all the fall decor ready to decorate my house with. Then the next color I'm using is Moss by Waverly. I love this color moss. I'm kind of addicted to it. I love green. Green is one of my favorite colors, but I love this color green. And I'm kind of struggling to get the cap off there. There we go. I know a lot of people like to go to Dollar Tree. I have a small Dollar Tree. They don't carry a lot of pieces for crafting. So I tend to go to Hobby Lobby a lot and use when they have their 40 and 50% off sales. Then I like to stock up on crafts to make. They do have their Christmas stuff out, so after I get my fall decor up, I will start on some Christmas decor videos. I think all three of these colors look really nice together. And I'm just going to paint the base the same color as the bottom pumpkin in that color moss. And I'm just going over a couple spots that I see that I had missed. I only did one coat, a heavier coat on this in each color, and it turned out pretty good, so the coverage was good. And then for the stem, I'm using the color Truffle. That's also by Heirloom Traditions, All-in-One Paint. And you're going to see later at the end, I had first painted all of these just a solid color, and I thought I liked it, but then I went in and I did some shading with some antique gel. And here I just had glued, I don't know what happened to my footage, but I had glued down some Spanish moss on the bottom of the base. And then I have these flowers and leaves I got from Hobby Lobby. They had 50% off their floral, so I got a bunch of different decor, and I'm just going to decorate the bottom of this. Those are like a little berry. I got those also from Hobby Lobby with the 50% off. And always, when you're using hot glue, be careful so you don't burn yourself with it. Always use precaution. I like to use those little silicone brushes to hold anything in that I'm using with hot glue so I can avoid burning my fingers. Nothing hurts worse than a glue gun burn. And then these little acorns, I did get those from Dollar Tree. Then at the top, I also took some of that little berry garland and I just wrapped that around the top of the stem. And I'm just going to add a couple more of the acorns. And there, the glue got a little too close to my finger, so again, use precaution when using hot glue. And there you have it. Like I said, I thought it was really cute, but then I just decided, as you can see there, and I added the word grateful in the center. I don't have the footage for that, but I did take and just used the antiquing gel and then added the word grateful that I had got in a pack of words from, also from Hobby Lobby, and those were 40% off. Then I took, these are from the Dollar Tree. They're little wood plaques. I found 3 of them in the oval shape, so I grabbed 3 of them, and we're going to make a pumpkin out of these. And I'm also using the color Pumpkin by Waverly for these. The color Pumpkin by Waverly is just a real nice pumpkin color. It's not too bright, not too deep of a color, just really a nice color. And then I'm taking the brown antiquing gel by Waverly, and I made a little stem by taking one of their little wood blocks, tower blocks, and cut it at an angle with my miter shears, and I'm just staining the little Jenga block in to make the stem. Then what I did is I took 2 Jenga blocks and glued those together, and I made 2 sets of 2, so that can be my stand to hold up the pumpkins so they stand up. And there I'm gluing them with Tight Bond wood glue. I know you can use hot glue, but I just prefer to use the wood glue when I'm working with wood, because that tight bond sure does really hold, and it dries really quick, so you can get on with what you want to work on. Now this is just for me, so I'm not painting the back side, but if you would be giving it to someone, I would definitely paint the back side so it's completely finished. And then I'm using some more of the antiquing gel because I want to go in and do some shading. This was just a quick little easy project to do, and it turned out really cute, I think. I really like this one. You can see with the shading that just makes it pop that much more. But you know, it's your own choice on what you would prefer. But myself, I like to have that antiquing gel on there and give it a little bit more dimension. And I don't know why my camera flipped this way, so I apologize. The screen isn't very big on this one. I'm still learning, so if you can bear with me. This is pretty new to me, but I've done crafting for years and years, and different ones say to me, you should make some videos, so here I am doing it. So it's going to be a learning process for me, but if you can bear with me and go along for the ride, I sure would hope that you would. There, I'm just gluing those little back pieces on so that way the pumpkin can stand up. And then I'm going to glue the little stem on. That I did use the hot glue gun for that. I didn't use the tight bond. Then I got a little buffalo print bow I made. Just going to put that on there. And this is just really simple. I did also put a leaf on there as well. And the leaf was from a bag of leaves that I got from Dollar Tree. And there you go, a little pumpkin. Thanks for watching.